In this tutorial, we'll show you how to prompt Maia so you can get better results. The quality of Maia's responses depends significantly on how prompts are structured, with the basic idea being that the more precise you are about what you mean and what you're trying to achieve, the better the results from Maia. So let's go through some of the guidelines on this. First of all, you should always name resources explicitly in your prompts. When you refer to data or pipelines, use the exact names instead of vague phrases, like this table or the join. Clear naming removes guesswork and helps Maia operate on the right thing immediately. It's also important to add as many details as you can. Things like expected formats or constraints are very impactful. If something must be checked to be greater than 100 or formatted as ISO dates, say so. Those specifics are often the difference between a good result and a great one. Another good practice is to avoid only describing the task. It helps to explain the outcome you are hoping to see. If your goal is to keep only active customers, reduce duplicates, or improve performance, Maia can choose better approaches when the outcomes are specified. If you want Maia to focus on a particular file, call it out directly with the @ symbol. This is especially useful when your project has lots of similar files or configs. It's like pointing Maia at the exact page in a book you want to talk about. For common tasks, it's also worth remembering that / commands are a fast way to set intent. Using / explain to understand something can be a fast way to get information on a pipeline or table. So let's take a look at some example prompts that could be improved. In this example, we are going to ask Maia to join two tables together. Instead of saying, join these tables, we will try being more specific about the exact tables, the join key, and the rule for which records to keep. A stronger prompt could sound like the following. Join the customers and orders tables on customer ID, keeping only customers with at least one order. That one sentence tells Maia what to join, how to join it, and the desired business outcome, leading to a much more refined result. In the next example, let's try filtering some data. Filter the data is too open-ended. Maia doesn't know the criteria that matters. A better prompt would be filter transactions to include only rows where status is completed and amount is greater than 100. Now, Maia can produce a correct filter step immediately, without guessing or asking follow-ups. In this final example, my pipeline is broken. Asking why isn't it working makes Maia hunt for the problem with no starting point. A more effective prompt could be, the pipeline is failing at the join component. Please check why this might be happening. This gives Maia the pipeline name and the failing component, so it can diagnose faster and suggest targeted fixes. So that is how you improve the quality of Maia's implementations, by making a few tweaks to your prompts, supercharging your prompts to get great results faster. If you want to learn more about Maia and its capabilities, go to matillion.com/Maia.